Anh mặc áo nào em mặc quần đó.
Hey, sticker teacher, today is my birthday, but I'm so bored. Can you suggest something fun for me to do?
Want to crash them all?
Good idea.
Let's go! First, let's hit them all so you can get whatever you want. My treat today. You can use my card.
Khu thương mại, khu thương mại, khu thương mại.
Holy moly! If I try visiting every shop here, I'll age 3 years before I finish.
Tiệm. Tiệm.
You smell like a fish sauce factory on a hot day. Let's get you some fragrance.
Nước hoa. Nước hoa. Nước hoa.
Now can I have some clothes, sticker teacher?
Quần áo. Quần áo. Quần áo.
You look amazing. But something's missing. Ah, a cool pair of shoes to seal the deal.
Giày. Giày. Giày.
Oh my god, don't you see I'm bored? Sticker teacher, please fetch me a hat or I'll switch to Duolingo.
Nón. Nón. Nón.
Now the fragrance smells fresh. You look sharp in those shirt and pants. Strut like a boss in your shiny shoes, and that hat, total game changer. You're unstoppable.
Nước hoa. Áo.
Here's a tip. When you say ow, Vietnamese for shirt, think of Michael Jackson going
Ow! 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 Quần. Giày. Nón.
So, tell me what else do you need? Empty my bank account.
I have lost some weight because this small is too big. You know what I mean, right, sticker teacher?
Exactly. I'm going to get you a belt.
Dây nịt. Dây nịt. Dây nịt.
Your arms look so skinny. This mall is huge, but how did you manage to lose weight just by walking around?
Don't be rude. I look beautiful the way I am.
I'll buy you a jacket then.
Áo khoác. Áo khoác. Áo khoác.
Wow, you look like a Hollywood superstar. Your outfit's shining so bright. Seriously, someone call the paparazzi and pass me the glasses so that I can see you better.
Mắt kính. Mắt kính. Mắt kính.
Alright, I've got everything I wanted. Let's ditch this place and rush home before I change my mind again.
Wait. You're not leaving without a bag. How else are you going to carry all those clothes you just accidentally bought?
Túi xách. Túi xách. Túi xách.
Oh, what time is it now? I've been wandering around for hours. I think I need a fancy watch.
Đồng hồ. Đồng hồ. Đồng hồ.
Oh. I actually left my wallet home. I have no money with me.
Bóp. Bóp. Bóp.
You're kidding me, teacher. What about the e-wallet on your phone?
I also forgot my phone. I'm going home to get it real quick. See you in a bit.
One pair of pants later.
Hands up. You're under arrest for shoplifting and causing way too much fun in these shops.
Sure, sticker teacher schooled me.
Put down all the clothes or we'll shoot you. This is a very serious crime, fashion felony level.
I'm leaving all these clothes behind. Please, let me go.
Too late, boy.